Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What's up, weirdos? So this past weekend I went to my house, away from my house, Disneyland, and I had so much fun that I forgot to vlog. But I didn't leave you guys hanging. I got some footage of the Christmas parade they got and the fireworks show, the two best things at Disneyland. So I mean, it's not that bad that I didn't get any vlog footage. I got the best things. So here you go, guys.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. snow, let it snow.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every hear the
Does your heart hold the magic of the holidays? Is it filled with warm memories just waiting to be discovered again? Now is the time to open your heart, believe in that magic, and remember those treasured moments. They're still there, deep within you, waiting to touch you once more. So come along as the magic of the season leads the way.
Special magic in the air, and all your dreams are real. Can you remember the smell of gingerbread, empty canes and sugar plums that dance inside your head? Remember when the twinkling stars at night told you when you were in flight? Johnny Santa Claus was on his way. The warmth of candlelight, a kiss of mistletoe. The magic lives and we believe it's in our hearts to stay.
Cherish the holidays forever and always believe.
Just like the ones I used to know, where the trees left to listen and the children listen to hear sailors in the snow. I'm dreaming of white Christmas with every Christmas card. May your days be merry and white, and may all your Christmases be white.
Thank you guys for watching today, guys. Sorry for not getting so much vlog footage at Disneyland. I'll try better next time. It's just Disneyland is so busy. Like, you have so much to do. You're constantly going that you forget. You don't have any free time to do anything, to vlog. So, I mean, you can't really blame me for that, right? But, anyways, stop making excuses, Cody. That's my fault. I'll try better next time. So don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on my Snapchat. And that's where you can find extra footage from my trip. You would have known if you followed it by now. But don't forget to like, subscribe, share. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
We've no place to go.